Honestly, I don't think anybody is as excited as I am about this right now, even if it has been around for 6 months or so. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm sure you guys can tell what we're doing by the title today. So, Dollar General, I'm sure most of you already know, Dollar General came out with a new makeup line. I believe it's called Believe. Okay. So even though this has been out for, since like April, May, maybe even longer, I've had a lot of you request for me to do this makeup review. I'm so excited to actually be reviewing this because I've heard a lot of good things about this makeup line. It's literally everything that I bought, I spent no more than like $40–50 on. So I am super excited to try this, and honestly, I'm not going to make it a long introduction for you guys today. We're just going to go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, so I did get a primer, and it's really cute packaging. Like, everything I got is really cute packaging. They actually had like 3 or 4 different options on their primer. I think they had a prep and prime, they had a hydrating primer, and then they had a pretty and prime, which is a stay put makeup primer, which is exactly what I need.
This colorless, silky face primer helps to smooth the look of skin, extends the wear of makeup, and works with all complexions to create the perfect base for flawless foundation. Let's hope. It's silicone-free, paraben-free, and not tested on animals, so that's good.
So let's go ahead and try it out and see. My skin is definitely feeling smooth, that's for sure. But it doesn't feel like it's tacky, which we like tacky, okay? Because that means that the foundation is going to grip onto that primer and hold. Okay, so the next thing that I got the foundation, their foundation. I do like the packaging on this. It's very cute. You know, it's just a simple glass bottle, you know, like most foundations come in nowadays. They had a tinted moisturizer as well, and I was gonna get that, but they honestly didn't have a shade that was like, they didn't have one in my shade. So I went ahead and just got the foundation only. So let's go ahead and apply and see. Oh, and it's got a pump. It does have a little bit of a luminous glow to it, but I mean, other than that though, I really like it. It does what it says it's going to do, you know. It definitely blended out smoothly, blended out easily. It's not like too oily looking, you know what I mean? I did also get their concealer. Your Covered Liquid Concealer is what it is. I'm pretty excited to try this though because I've heard a lot. Like, are you kidding me right now? Oh my god. Like, it totally just like blurred it all out. So for the sake of it, I'm gonna go ahead and add more and see if she's buildable. Oh yeah. Like, are you kidding me right now? This is a $4 concealer. 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 Like, I want to be mad. I really do. But I'm not. Like, I have this. This blends, builds up, covers, all of that better than a $30 concealer that I have paid for. So they also had a loose powder. It's the Believe Beauty Matte Blur Loose Powder is what they had. I got translucent. Their light / medium was a little too dark for me, so I just went ahead and got the translucent because that was the only other shade that they had. So, which is fine, no biggie. But let's go ahead and see how well she does at blurring imperfections. Are you effing kidding me right now? This is a $5 powder. Like, how? How is this happening? We're gonna go ahead and move on to the bronzer. They had like 3 different shades of bronzer, and the one I got was Hawaiian Glow. So I think it was the medium shade. Like, look at how beautiful that color is, that shade. Obviously, I gotta straighten it up a little, but still. Like, it's not too dark, but yet has a lot of pigment to it, and is so blendable and just lightweight. Like, and it's just such a pretty color. Oh my gosh. I'm actually really, really excited to try their blush. The color I got is Creamy Peach. That is so pretty, so pretty. Like, how is this like even possible? How are we like, everything's a win so far? I don't get it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyes off camera real quick, and then we're gonna be right back to do the highlighter and finish the rest of this off. So, okay, I'm back. Believe also had a mascara as well. And y'all know I had to get it, okay? Because you guys know I am a huge mascara fan, okay? Well, there's the brush. This is insane. Like, so insane. Like, I love this mascara. That is crazy. I sound so sponsored right now, and I'm not. I'd tell you guys if I was sponsored, and I'm not. This is just insane. Last but not least is the highlighter, okay? Okay, so let's go ahead and pop her on and see. Like, how? What in the... It's a $4 highlighter. Look at that. We are having a good makeup day today, y'all. Let me tell you. Go Believe. Go Dollar General. You guys did the damn thing.